Baba Paras Ram Sahib, the selfless fakir who chose silence over fame. Some saints are known by crowds, some by temples, some by miracles spoken aloud. And then there are saints who choose silence, who lived unseen, who served without asking to be remembered. This is the story of such a fakir, Fakir Sai Satguru Baba Paras Ram Sahib Ji. Baba Paras Ram Sahib was born on 9th February 1909 in Phuleli village near Hyderabad, Sindh in Akhand Bharat. Even as a child, he was different. A child who looked beyond his age, quiet, observant, drawn inward. His mother sensed it first. At the age of 9, a simple cobbler awakened his spiritual longing. Not a scholar, not a saint by title, just a reminder that truth often comes from unexpected places. From that moment, Baba began walking a path few choose, a path of faith, discipline, and surrender. Baba wandered across Sindh, seeking not fame, but the truth. On this path, many saints shaped his inner world. Each blessing lifted him higher, but one bond defined his life. Kunj Guru Baba Amar Das Sahib Ji. Baba Paras Ram Sahib did not just follow his Guru, he dissolved into him. Baba Paras Ram's Guruji advocated free food distribution, and in undivided India, where he stayed, he used to hang a bag of koki, a flatbread like roti, outside his home for anyone to partake anytime. Baba never claimed greatness for himself. He said only this: I am just a servant. Pray to my Guru. He will bless you. For Baba, Guru was not a concept. Guru was life itself. In 1947, the world changed. The country is divided. Lives uprooted. Baba Paras Ram Sahib migrated to Vadodara, Gujarat and settled in Fatehganj. He was well educated, spoke English, Hindi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Sindhi and Urdu. He could have chosen comfort. Instead, he chose simplicity. A modest livelihood, selling firewood, meditating in silence. Here too, the saints found him. Across castes, across religions, across beliefs. Baba never asked, "Who are you?" He only asked, "Are you hungry?" Baba cooked food himself, served it himself, listened to every soul who came. Humans, animals, birds, all were God's creation. Today, 1,000 to 1,500 people are fed daily, and the service continues. To Baba, service was worship, work was prayer, silence was strength. In 1988, on Mahashivratri, guided by divine inspiration from his Guru, Baba began Fakir Ki Jhopadi, a hut in name, a pilgrimage in spirit, not a temple of stone, but a temple of service. Here, everyone was welcome. No caste, no religion, no conditions. Baba never preached rituals. He rejected the show. He rejected fear-based faith. He taught balance, earn honesty, care for your family, serve society, remember God, live simply, control the mind, speak the truth, help quietly, and remain unknown. At the age of 101, on 13th March 2010, Baba Parasram Sahib left his physical body. But before leaving, he said, "This body will go, but I will be with you forever." His samadhi rests at Fakir Ki Jhopdi. Today, his words live, his work continues, his presence is felt, but his presence lives everywhere, in service, in silence, in faith. Thousands are fed daily, patients are served, the old are cared for, animals are nourished. Volunteers come from every walk of life. Doctors, engineers, students, businessmen, workers. No labels, only seva. Everything is free of cost. As Baba taught, without noise, without credit, without pause. Baba Parasram Sahib did not ask to be worshipped. He asked to be followed, not in words, but in action. Through seva, through simplicity, through surrender. Fakir Ki Jhopdi stands as a reminder that the highest spirituality is humanity. Vah Bhai Santo, Ram hi Ram.
वाह भाई संतो राम ही राम, वाह भाई संतो।